For exciting job opportunities, please make sure that you subscribe our channel Learn with Karthik. Hello everyone, welcome back again. So we will be discussing top 6 MNC companies hiring details today. Without any delay, let's get into the video. So firstly, we'll be discussing about Geo and they're hiring for software development engineer. So they have given location as Mumbai. So you'll be responsible for design, installation, testing and maintenance of software system. If you see the educational qualification, if you are a student with engineering graduate or MCA graduate, you are eligible to apply, and 1 to 2 years of experience is also required, and you need skills in application development, programming and analytical thinking. So this is what they expect from you, and if you're interested, click on the apply link and start your process. And our next job update is from Tata, and they are hiring for graduate engineer trainee. So they have given location as Hosur, Tamil Nadu. Freshers are eligible to apply. Let us see a few details about this job. Yeah, 2023 or 24 batch of BE BTech from mechanical, production, mechatronics, electronics, triple E, and related branches are eligible to apply. And you should not have any backlogs. And also you need good PH scores, and your CTC offered will be 7 lakhs including a joining bonus. So this is what they have given you. If you're interested, click on the apply link and start your process. And our next job update is from Zebra, and they are hiring for software engineer. Location is at Pune. So let us see a few details about the job. All you need is a bachelor's degree with 0 to 2 years of experience, and you need quantitative and problem solving skills. And they have given certain responsibilities that you need to do. So, this is what about this job. And before applying to any job, go through the apply link properly, what are the instructions they have given, and then start applying for it. And our next job update is from Razorpay, and they are hiring for technical writer. Let us see a few details about this job. So you need 1 to 3 years of experience in technical writing, and you need excellent communication skills in English, either it may be written and or verbal, and you need work experience in developing procedural software documentation, and also you should have that ability to probe, ask questions and research, and you must be a quick learner. Along with that, you need to be a team player. So these are the skills and experience they need, and it will be good if you have the exposure to API documentation and market and competitive research and analysis. So this is what about RaceRPay. If you're interested, click on the apply link and start your process. And our next job update is from Cadence, and they are hiring for intern software engineer. Location is at Noida, and your educational qualification is BE BTech or MEM Tech MBA. So let us see few details about this job. Fresh engineering graduates in electronics and computer science are eligible to apply, and you need a very good digital or analog skills, and you need strong analysis and problem solving skills. You should be an excellent algorithmic skills, and also you must be a team player. You should have that ability and passion to learn, and you need excellent verbal and written communication skills. So these are the things they expect from you, and if you're interested, click on the apply link and start your process. And finally, we will be discussing about Emphasis, and it's a walk-in capital market. Freshers are eligible to apply, and location is at Chennai. So they have given the key skills that are required. See, you need decent communication skills, and you should have that ability to deal with operational needs, and you should be good at multitasking and should be able to toggle between many screens and be able to type with speed and accuracy. That means they expect good typing speed, and also you must be flexible for night shifts. So this is what they have given, and all these job links are provided in the description. Before applying for any job, go through once clearly and then start your process. I hope this video would have been so useful. Thank you for watching till end, and follow us for more updates.